Yes, so now we'll move to the reports. With respect to the added all the entries in our system, we can generate the reports accordingly. So there are many kind of reports generated. Now we'll go to the first reports, like admission reports. Now from that, student class wise report, in which we can get the details of students with respect to classes and divisions, and we can get the records details with respect to the academic year and admission year wise. So this is what the academic year, from which we can also view the records of previous year as well as current year, and we can select here as per admission year wise, so that we can get count with respect to the admission. So we can also verify that how much admissions are with respect to the selective year. And now these are the count respective to the academic year 2015-16. Now if I select any of the count and click on it, suppose on 35, so this is what the count I will get of first standard and B division. By clicking on it, all the list of the students enrolled in class standard first and division B will be reflected over here. If I want to sort them, I can just click on name, admission number, so that the sorting will be done as per our requirement. And if I want any print, then I can just click on print. This is what I can get all the detailed view of the students. If I want to view all the student list, I will have to just click on the last count of the student, and I'll get whole listing of the student with respect to the classes and divisions assigned over here, and we'll get their details like admission number, classes, names, contact numbers and gender. And if I want to print these details, I have to just click on print. So this is what the report, where we get actual count enrolled in our system and present count of students in our school. So next report is like student dynamic report. Student dynamic report is used for generating some of the details, means like for selecting particular details of students, we can use this report. Like suppose I select academic year 2015-16, admission year all, department primary, classes first, division A, select few of the details, and just click on submit. So we'll get the report accordingly. Means as per our needs, we can select the fields from there and we can generate the report. And if we want to export this data into Excel, we can just click on here data export to Excel, and we can get the Excel format. So this is what about student dynamic report, so that of selective fields we can get the report and generate it accordingly to form the report in Excel as well. So next report is like gender wise class report. So if we want an account of girls in our school, boys in a school, then we can just have to select the academic year, admission year, select the class. Or if we want to access all the records from the whole school, then also we can select the all class, division, gender. Suppose I want to see only report of girls, select sort by which sorting I want to display the details, and just click on search. So this is the list we got regarding standard first, division A, only female students. So these are the 16 records which we have got in the report, and if we want print of it, we just have to click here print. And if you want to see whole school details, like if I select here all and select the class all, also division all, and only select records of boys and just click on search, I'll get whole list from the school like this, and all the boys will be listed over here. I want to sort it, I can sort it by selecting any sort by order from selections, and can see all the entries here. And if I want to print these details, I can just click on print, and this is what the details of all students, means boy students in the school. So next report is student admission report parameter wise. Now this report indicates that by selecting the different category, caste category, gender, caste, classes and division, religion, academic year, admission year, and age wise filtering and sorting. So with respect to all these selections done, we can generate the report. So if I select this category as open, select all students, select any of the caste or keep as all, select classes, suppose first standard, division all, religion Hindu, select the academic year, admission year keep all, and from age, suppose from 4 select the date from which I have to conduct the age range, select the from date and to date, just click on search,